Well, hello there. What we got here is an EMP shield with the remote indicator LEDs for a flush mount panel, and it's pretty straightforward on how it's connected. So we'll go ahead and install it in the panel. I'll shut the main off. We'll put the EMP box here and remote mount it through here, and on the outside we'll put the indicator here so it's visible. So it's pretty straightforward, and I'm excited to get it all hooked up and see how it goes. And I'm going to install two of them, one on the front meter, one on the back meter. The front meter is a flush mount, meaning the box, the meter base, is inside the wall. The back meter base is externally mount, so that's going to be mounted on the outside of the box, the EMP box. So we'll see what happens. Basically, your two lines will come in where the power comes in, your line 1 and line 2. So basically one leg, so L1 will be on the first 20 amp, L2 will be on the second 20 amp, which is on the second leg here, and then ground will be, there's a bus bar back here that the ground will be mounted to, and the ground wire will be mounted on that bar, either here or here, depending upon how the ground wire lays out. So try to make it as clean as possible. So here I've got it mounted in the box. It's got double-sided tape underneath, and it'll fit right behind the panel, and hopefully the screws aren't long and not too long that they'll run into it, but we should be fine with that. And I ran the ground line to the ground bar, the neutral to the neutral bar, the line 1 and 2 on the first two circuit breakers that are 20 amps. One's on line 1 and one's coming in off of line 2. And the exterior indicator is right there, and it wires in through the back. That ribbon cable is super awesome. I don't think it was a difficult install at all. It was the easiest install that I think I've ever done. It was kind of ridiculous. And yeah, so we'll power it up and see what happens. Well, everything is checked out. I'm checking 124 volts on each leg, being this is single phase 220 or 240 volt, and each leg has just over 120 volts. We're in business. The ribbon cable just clears. As you can see, it's not tight. When I close it, the LEDs, kind of hard to see, but they are, both lines are green, and everything looks pretty good. It's a little crooked, but I think I'll live with that. All right, sweet. On to the next install.